Good morning, my dear student. Today we have discussed about opium wars. The opium wars, dispute between Great Britain and China. Introduction. The opium wars were two wars in the mid 19th century involving China and the British Empire over the British trade of opium and China's sovereignty. The clashes included the First Opium War 1839 to 1842 and the Second Opium War 1856 to 1860. The wars and events between them weakened the Qing dynasty and forced China to trade with the other parts of the world. Understanding of war. Status of opium in China. It was used as a medicine. Opium then mixed with tobacco so it could be smoked. Dutch were first to begin trade of opium. Chinese government banned smoking and trade of opium in 1729 due to health and social issues. Needs of British. Payment for tea, silk, pressure to generate more income, earning money was ultimate objective, monopoly in business. Opium addicts 4 to 12 million peoples. First Opium War 1839 to 1842. The First Opium War fought over opium trade, financial repression, and diplomatic status. The First Opium War, end of the Treaty of Nanking or Nanjing in 1842, began in 1839 and was concluded by the Treaty of Nanking in 1842. The treaty ceded the Hong Kong Island to the United Kingdom in perpetuity and established 5 treaty ports at Shanghai, Canton, Ningbo, Wusu, and Amoy. Another treaty the next year gave most favored nation status to the United Kingdom and added provisions for British extraterritoriality. Then France secured concession on the same terms as the British in treaties of 1843 and 1844. Second Opium War 1856-60 fought towards legalization of the opium trade, to expand trade in coolies, to open all of China to British merchants, and to exempt foreign imports from internal transit duties. France joined the British. The war is also known as the Aro War, referring the name of a vessel at the starting point of the conflict. The war resulted in the second group of treaty ports being set up. Eventually, more than 80 treaty ports were established in China involving many foreign powers. All foreign traders gained rights to travel within China. Treaty of Tianjin. Treaty of Tianjin was created in July 1858. 1860 ratified the treaty at the Convention of Peking. Britain, France, Russia, and the United States would have the right to station delegation in Beijing. 10 more Chinese ports would be opened for foreign trade. The right of foreign vessels, including warships, to navigate freely on the Yangtze River. The right of foreigners to travel in the internal regions of China. The Chinese are to be banned from referring to Westerners by the character Y barbarian. legalized the import of opium. China was to pay an indemnity to Britain and France in 2 million taels of silver. Thank you very much.